Hey guys, today I want to show you how to change your Proton Saga wiper. Okay. So before I show you how to change the Saga wiper, I unbox this Bosch Advantage wiper for you. Have a look first. So this is for the Saga BLM spec 22-70-inch, both. Okay. And this is the Bosch wiper. It shows that this is a long life and advanced for tropical rubber formula. It means for the hot climate country. Okay, and this is the hook. It's suitable for this kind of hook. BA2217. Okay. Go on. Okay, this is show how you install the new wiper blade. Quick clip. Just later I will show you how to clip it. Okay, and this is the made in China. The wiper is made in China, and this is a registered trademark quality. Blah blah blah. Germany. It's a German company. And okay, what else? Okay, that's all. So now I want to unpack this. Use one hand to unpack. I just tear it out. Okay, take it out. Tear it out. Unbox it. Take it out. This wiper first. Okay. Take it out. Okay, I take another out. Okay, just take it out. Okay. This is the wiper. Bosch. Okay, this is the Bosch. So before you start using it, you have to remove this plastic cover. Okay. So later I show you in the car. And remove this. Okay, got two types. One is shorter, one is longer. You can see here. This 70-inch and this is 22-inch. Okay, so later I just need to hook this. So just continue watch my video to the end. I'll show you how to fix in the car, how to install on the car. This is the new rubber. You see? Focus. So this is the hook. So this is for the hook. Okay, then I'll show you. So this is part to unboxing the wiper. Okay, then we move on to how to install on the car wiper. Okay, hey guys, I now come to my car, the Saga BLM. So now I show you how to install the new wiper, how to replace the new wiper blade. Okay, just now I unbox the wiper. So I now have to remove the old wiper before I able to replace with the new one. So how I remove, I just take it out. Okay, just pull it out. Then I see. Hold on. Then you can see here. Sorry. So okay. See over here. So how to pull it? Pull it now. That's all. That's simple. And Then I want to put the new one. Let me see the hook over here. Okay. Okay. Replace a short one. Just force it in. Okay, that's all. Put it down and choose a short one. Okay. I replace the big one. The long one, sorry, it's not the big one. Okay. So this is the driver side, it's a long one. Place. Okay. And just drag it in. Drag it in so you can hear the clip sound. Okay. And done. It's so simple. Okay. So now I already replaced with the new wiper. Let's see it. The new wiper. Replace the old one. It's that simple. Okay. So that's all for my video. If you like my video, please give me a like and please subscribe to my 2M Show channel. Okay. Thanks for watching.